So next up in this series, we're checking out Michael's. Alright, look at all the fall stuff. But where's the Halloween stuff? Oh, I think I found it. Michael's stuff is always like
Cool.
Michael's stuff is always more like gothic home decor stuff, which is cool. I like it.
This is the only ghost we're going to find for.
Ooh, look at the bat. I like that.
Said,
That's cool.
I may be a simple man. Every time you see bats, you say that's me.
These are the things that I was wanting to buy last year for the masquerade, but never did. It's just a bunch of hocus pocus.
Oh, I like my skeleton candy bowl better.
Is that for cheese dip?
Probably. Spider dip.
Look at the giant beetles. It's interesting. Oh yeah, I remember these from last year too. I think.
I think, yeah, they were out last year.
How does that do? Yeah, I like all this stuff. Just like normal, like house decor stuff. Hey, look. It's us. Hey, it's us.
Oh.
Now, Keith. How's it going? Even though that's Halloween, I feel like my mom would like it because of the Wicked Witch, like from Wizard of Oz.
Does she like witches?
Well, she likes Wizard of Oz, which has the Wicked Witch. When witches go riding and black cats are seen, 'tis chalkboard days until Halloween.
Aren't these from a movie? They're supposed to sell this stuff.
I don't think so. It doesn't look like it's from a movie.
It's like one of the Disney movies.
I mean, it kind of looks Tim Burton-esque, maybe, but
That witch hat cloth is pretty cool. My mom probably would like that.
it me.
Is it eyeball or anything? Probably not.
What?
Is it eye or something?
These?
I thought
They're like snow globes.
I have a t-shirt that did that. You can remove it. It's a little weird. But, you know, they usually put the stuff on sale and you can use coupons.
I think there's another aisle over here. Oh, those are cool. Yep, another aisle. Oh look, I found my fiance too. Yeah, that's cool. Halloween party stuff. Maybe we should buy some of this for a certain event that's happening in a couple years.
That'd be cool. Yeah.
Look at the angry squirrel. Why are you so angry? Why are you so angry? What are you doing?
I don't know.
That's very
Just
inappropriate.
playing a game. You fraud. Cool. All the stuff. That could be the stovetop thingy. It's cool. Here's a Coke.
What? Oh, we found the Spooky Town stuff. They don't have any of it running though.
Look at that. Oh yeah.
Okay, I'm a little salty about something. Last year, I was trying to find a giant crow that I wanted to go on the cemetery column, like overlooking as you walk in. I couldn't find one anywhere. Guess what? This is exactly what I was looking for last year. And now he's laughing at my misfortune. So that was Michael's. Like I said, whenever we went to Big Lots, we are doing this kind of late, so we may have missed some stuff that's already come and gone. But I really like Michael's like classy, gothic home decor. I think that in the future, we'll be seeing a lot of that stuff in our home.
Even the toilet paper will be black.
So I think next up in this series, I think that we're going to be going to AC Moore, which is another craft store around here. So, as always, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. I don't know why I said it that way.